History Month quiz. It's time to test your history. Do you know Black history? Let's find out. Question: who was the first African American inventor who held more than 50 patents in the U.S.? Granville Taylor Woods was born April 23, 1856. He was an American inventor who held more than 50 patents in the U.S. He was the first African American mechanical and electrical engineer after the Civil War. Did you know the answer to that question? How about these questions? Can you name the African American inventor known for the Super Soaker water gun? What historical event marked the end of slavery in the United States? Can you name the African American astronaut who was the first woman of color in space? We'll find out in the next video. Subscribe to learn more Black history.